So this is my old kettle. I'm trying to work it for the beginning. Everything inside is old. This is just the empty kettle, empty carton. You see, everything here is empty except this rubber. The rubber here is okay, but it's still empty. Let me try fixing it. First of all, what I'll use a thermostat. This thermostat is this element. Sorry, this element I'll use, not thermostat. And it work with also thermostat, element and thermostat. So let me start fixing the element first to see. So the element should cross here. You see? Have you seen it? Then you apply your thermostat here. Then you apply your thermostat here. Make sure these two joints. Make sure these two joints here is also applied for these two joints. Have you seen it? So let's try it and see. All right. The case may be right now. Wow. You start tightening it now. For all the process of tightening is there, you will start from. Then, for me, I'll start from here, and then other side here. So after tightening it, then you use your meter. Hope you have a meter. Anyone you have, just a meter. Then you set it for kilo ohms, or anyone that you set it. So that wherever you set it, make sure you set your meter. Have you seen it? The arrow points here. Then when I on it, it goes. Off it, it off. You see? I on it, it goes. Off it, it off. That means the kettle is working. So then you couple it up. Do this at your own usual time, and then you get your kettle work without no stress. Just have a good thermostat. You can able to, with this what I teach you, can able to change your thermostat very easy. Nobody will teach you for you, guy. So it does a simple something that you see how I'm folding the wire, right? What to do, I want to break this circuit here because thermostat is for everywhere. It's not actually meant for kettle alone, for electric jug and that thing. So but to match on this particular kettle, because of this cover, so that will not affect this cover, I have to break this particular side. Just easy. You see, it does not affect the switch. This is not don't affect the switch, so it does. So understand where I'm going, and fix the cover the switch cover. Make sure the switch cover is well fixed. You see, very simple and easy. Then the major cover will be fixed also, and then you tie the major. Oh my god, I'm just using this star to tight it, but it's not the actual good for it. Let me look for its own screwdriver. Okay, so then the cable wire come to play. You got it? The cable wire has come to play. So you see, let's test it first. Oh, then you follow me to. Then I put a little water inside, so I'll try to plug it. This is just a store of the house, man. So I have to plug it first. You see, the slide here, and then you see, then it start working. You hear the noise? You hear the noise? That my kettle is okay right now. Do this, and you will love. Then you add. For me, I will add extra water so that you will not be overwhelmed.